Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by acting fast. Drink 750 ml of water because thirst often feels like hunger, and then eat a small protein-rich snack. 10 to 20 grams works. Once done, add a fiber source such as half an apple or a tablespoon of chia to slow gastric emptying and extend fullness. Make sure to choose minimally processed items. They stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. This sequence lowers immediate drive to eat, so you can plan the next real meal. You now structure the main eating window. Each meal should center on 20 to 35 grams of protein, a serving of healthy fat, and a cup or two of vegetables to create bulk without calories. Once in place, prefer low glycemic carbs that release energy slowly so blood sugar stays stable and hunger signals dampen. Make sure to eat at a steady pace, pause between bites, and stop when you reach a comfortable 80% full. This prevents rebound hunger later in the day. You complete the process by locking in routine. Eat at consistent times, use simple portion cues like a palm-sized protein and a fist-sized vegetable, and sip herbal tea after meals to prolong fullness. Once habits are consistent, monitor sleep and stress because poor rest or high cortisol can drive appetite. If you still feel persistently hungry, make sure medications aren't a cause. If not, add a small 200-300 calorie snack, combining protein and fiber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.